To a new video. In today's video, I ordered some Poppets online and they finally came today. Okay, so I'm gonna be unboxing them today. So here it is. Oh my goodness. Yay! Oh my god. You guys don't understand how happy I am. This is the rainbow one. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yay! Oh my god. It's so cool. Oh my god. Yay! And there's a turquoise one. I'm so happy right now. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I'm so happy. Yay! Oh my gosh. So I ordered these. I mean, I didn't really order these, but my mom ordered them because I asked her a few days ago, and I was like hoping that they would come today, and they did. I didn't realize it at first. There's a package on the table, and I was like, what's this? Oh my god, I'm so happy. Thanks, Mom and Dad. I'm so happy. Maybe I'll make a video or something, including these, maybe. I'm so happy. Yay. My package came. I'm so excited. Yeah. I'm so happy. Thank you guys so much for watching, and thanks Mom and Dad for buying me this. I'm so excited. And yeah. They're so cool. I love them so much. So thank you guys so much for watching. Maybe next week's video I'll include these probably. And I'll see you guys later. Bye. Yay. Yay.